Taal Volcano Filipino, Bulking Taal is a complex volcano located in the Big Island of Luzon in the Philippines. It is in the province of Batangas and is the second most active volcano in the Philippines with 34 historical eruptions. All of these eruptions are concentrated on Volcano Island, an island near the middle of Taal Lake. The lake partially fills Taal Caldera, which was formed by prehistoric eruptions between 140,000 and 5,380 BP. Viewed from the Tagaytay Ridge in Cavite, Taal Volcano and Lake presents one of the most picturesque and attractive views in the Philippines. It is located about 50 kilometers (31 miles) south of the capital of the country, the city of Manila. The volcano erupted on the afternoon of January 12, 2020, 43 years after the 1977 eruption, with the alert level of the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology escalating from Alert Level 2 to Alert Level 4. It was an eruption from the main crater. The eruption spewed ashes to Calabarzon, Metro Manila, and some parts of Central Luzon, which cancelled classes, work schedules, and flights. Ash falls and volcanic thunderstorms were reported, and forced evacuations were made. Dangers of possible volcanic tsunami were also warned. The volcano produced volcanic lightning above its crater with ash clouds. The eruption progressed into magmatic eruption characterized by lava fountain with thunder and lightning. The crater lake on Volcano Island is the largest lake on an island in a lake on an island in the world. Moreover, this lake contains Vulcan Point, a small rocky island that projects from the surface of the crater lake, which was the remnant of the old crater floor that is now surrounded by the 2-kilometer (1.2 miles) wide lake, now referred to as the main crater lake. Recent activity: a solar-powered remote monitoring station located at Taal Volcano Island. Taal Volcano is a complex volcano located on the island of Luzon in the Philippines. Since the 1977 eruption, it had shown signs of unrest since 1991, with strong seismic activity and ground fracturing events, as well as the formation of small mud pots and mud geysers on parts of the island. The Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology (PHIVOLCS) regularly issued notices and warnings about current activity at Taal, including ongoing seismic unrest. 2008. August 28. PHIVOLCS notified the public and concerned authorities that the Taal seismic network recorded 10 volcanic earthquakes from 5:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. Two of these quakes that occurred at 12:33 and 12:46 p.m. were both felt at intensity 2 by residents at Barangay Pira-Piraso. These quakes were accompanied by rumbling sounds. The events were located northeast of the volcano island near Dong Castilla area with depths of approximately 0.6 kilometers (0.37 miles) 12:33 p.m. and 0.8 kilometers (0.50 miles) 12:46 p.m. 2009. July 20th. National Disaster Coordinating Council (NDCC) Executive Officer Glenn Rabonza warned that although there were no volcanic quakes detected at Taal since the detection of 9 volcanic quakes from June 13 to July 19, and there had been no steaming activity monitored since last recorded on June 23, PHIVOLCS alert stands at Level 1, warning that Taal's main crater is off-limits to the public because steam explosions may occur or high concentrations of toxic gases may accumulate. Taal Volcano provides a picturesque view from Tagaytay. 2010. June 8. PHIVOLCS raised the volcano status to Alert Level 2, scale is 0 to 5, 0 referring to no alert status, which indicates the volcano is undergoing magmatic intrusion which could eventually lead to an eruption. PHIVOLCS reminds the general public that the main crater remains off-limits because hazardous steam-driven explosions may occur, along with the possible buildup of toxic gases. Areas with hot ground and steam emission such as portions of the Dong Castilla Trail are considered hazardous. May 11 to 24. Crater Lake temperature increased by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius (3.6 to 5.4 degrees Fahrenheit). The composition of main crater lake water has shown above normal values of Mg, Cl, SO4, Cl and total dissolved solids. There has been ground steaming accompanied by hissing sounds on the northern and northeast sides of the main crater. April 26. Volcanic seismicity had increased. 2011. From April 9 to July 5, alert level on Taal Volcano was raised from 1 to 2 for 11 weeks because of increased seismicity on Volcano Island. Frequency peaked to about 115 tremors on May 30 with maximum intensity at IV, accompanied by rumbling sounds. Magma was intruding towards the surface, as indicated by continuing high rates of CO2 emissions in the main crater lake and sustained seismic activity. Field measurements on May 24 showed lake temperatures slightly increased, pH values slightly more acidic and water levels 4 cm (1.6 in) higher. A ground deformation survey conducted around the volcano island April 26 to May 3 showed that the volcano edifice inflated slightly relative to the April 5 to 11 survey. 2019. Alert Level 1 was raised on the volcano because of frequent volcanic activities since March. Based on the 24-hour monitoring of the Taal Volcano's seismic network, 57 volcanic earthquakes were observed from the morning of November 11 to morning of November 12. 2020. 2020 Taal Volcano Eruption. A sudden eruption occurred on January 12, quickly escalating into Alert Level 4. Ash falls and volcanic thunderstorms were reported, and forced evacuations were made. Dangers of possible volcanic tsunami were also warned. The volcano produced volcanic lightning above its crater with ash clouds. The eruption progressed into magmatic eruption characterized by lava fountain with thunder and lightning. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe to make it popular. Thanks for watching.